Hi, this is Kim A. Miles from Sotheby's International Realty, and I just wanted to introduce you to 246 Inglewood Drive. We're here in the Moore Park area of Toronto. It's a beautiful, leafy, midtown neighborhood, and this home is quite unique. It's arts and crafts style, and I'm going to show you it. One of the nice things about this type of architecture is that it's always using organic, local materials. So this home was built in 1925 using all local materials, and it's in the genre of Eden Smith, who was a renowned arts and crafts architect back in the late 1800s and early 1920s. And part of his style would be the large windows, great big porch like this, kind of symmetrical entrance, the little, I don't even know what you call them, the little gables that are on the porch overhang, and quite unique. This is quite a unique home. Fabulous area in Midtown Toronto. So, come on in. Another thing I want to show you is this gorgeous door. Beautiful beveled leaded glass, and you will see that throughout the home. So let's go. Here we have a vestibule, so you can take your shoes off when you come inside, or leave your umbrella in the vestibule. Original crystal doorknobs. So entering into the home, like I said, we have a center hallway. We're gonna go to the right. We're gonna see the beautiful dining room. So it's a nice size. It's all original wood paneling. Really fantastic built-in pantry, which I love. We've got beveled leaded glass windows along the top that actually open. Now we're gonna face north. We're gonna look north on the street. This is a fronting on the south side of the street, this lot. So it's nice and sunny. There's actually a lilac bush out there. I don't know if you can get any closer, but there's a lilac bush that's blooming. That's really gonna be smelling gorgeous. And I want to comment that this wallpaper is William Morris Art Nouveau, beautiful original wallpaper. It's really special. It's, again, there's a lot of original features in this home that if you're an aficionado for the 1920s and beyond, you're going to love this home. So now we're going to move back into the center hallway, and we're going to enter into the living room. Beautiful space. Really calm and peaceful, open, expansive. Again, large picture windows. Nice fireplace. Love the fireplace. Lovely wood, lovely inlaid wood. These are original oak floors, and they're in quite good condition, I might say. You'll see there's two windows on the side of the fireplace. And so you can see there's a lot of texture, and you can see there's another room beyond there, which we're going to take you into shortly. But it really gives a nice feel to the room. It's a unique home. And before we go upstairs, I want to show you something that's over here, which I love. This is so cute. So right here, there's a little box. It's got some holes here. So this is where the old telephone used to be. And the holes are here so that people could hear. So instead of having their phones on their body like we do and on their ear, you know what? They hear the phone, so the phone rings, they can hear it through the holes, and they open it up and they pick up the phone and say hello. Like, how cute is that? It's so wonderful. Let me show you the kitchen, and then we're going to go upstairs. The buyer's going to come in here and definitely going to do some work. So my vision is that they're going to likely open this all up. They're going to create a brand new kitchen, and they're going to customize it, which is really great, because this is what we call almost a clean slate. So it's not really a home that's going to be gutted, but it's a home that's going to be customized to suit the new buyer. And what is better than that you can actually create your space, but you have a beautiful canvas in which to create. So coming this way, I'm going to take you downstairs. It's actually not downstairs. This is not the basement. This is just going down a few steps. Come on out here. Beautiful, like I said, 50 by 125 foot lot. Bear with me. There's all these things coming off the trees because we're in spring right now. So it's not snow, so don't worry. Really nice. I mean, this home, I feel the breeze right now. This home is so beautiful. And it is a pool-sized lot, so if someone wanted to put a pool in here, absolutely they could. But you can really see the width and the depth of the lot. If you look at the back of the home, Now this part that we're looking at is an extension on the home, which I'm going to take you back inside and show you what that is. So now we're back inside. So now we're coming into the main floor bedroom. So, do you remember we were in the dining room, sort of the living room, when we saw the two windows? So there's the two windows. So this room, like, can you imagine the light in here? I mean, like, it's so nice. It's just so, it gives a real openness. And we've also got windows out to the back. So again, they all open, so there's a beautiful cross breeze. This home does not have air conditioning, but you know, back in 1925 and beyond, they didn't have air conditioning and they lived quite nicely. So I'm sure the new owner is going to, you know, install some ductwork for air conditioning. We understand that. But right now there's a gas-fired boiler system, so it's radiant heat throughout, which is a beautiful form of heating. And in many ways, it's nicer than forced air gas. So let's go back. We have a 4-piece washroom here, also on the main floor, which is going to be renovated in all honesty. And then we're going back up a few steps, and then we're going to go up onto the second floor. I'm not going to show you the basement today. It's not a finished basement, but I do want to say that the ceilings are really, really high. It's never been underpinned, so it's just a high basement. And so it's going to be great for the new owner to finish it. It's not going to be a complicated job because it's already a high basement. So let's go upstairs. Just wanted you to see the millwork that's here on the banister. Lovely millwork. It's really more of a 2-story home. But then we've got this lovely lounge here, which is in between the 2 stories. Again, a really, really peaceful, lovely room. A nice wall of windows on all sides. Take a look at these beautiful wood doors. Really, really nice. We have a lot of other doors for the main floor, and we still have them. They're actually in the crawl space, but they're still there if the new owner wanted to use those doors again. We definitely have them. So moving forward, now we're going upstairs. Before we go all the way upstairs, I want to show you we have a cedar closet here. So for the ladies who still wear fur coats, this is where you would store them. So right now, obviously it's being used as storage, but it's a cedar closet with some original, actually, laminate on the floor. So, okay. And I imagine that that's going to be used as storage by the new owner. So now we're on the second floor. Again, really nice character. Really, really nice character in here. I love the sloping ceiling. Cute little windows. Just a nice feel throughout. Here's the closet. I have to say, you know, I used to be in the fashion business and I styled the closet myself. Very proud of that. These are my clients' clothes, but I staged it. Really proud of that. You know, we wear a lot of hats as realtors. And this is another one of them. Okay. Okay, so beautiful wood doors again. So now we're going to move into the middle bedroom. So you can see the light in here. You know, you've got the wall of windows in the back facing south, and then you've also got a wall of windows in the front. So now this is another bedroom. My client's using it as an office. Again, really high ceilings. And what's interesting is that, you know, the closet sizes here are quite large because, you know, back in 1925, this would have been, you know, for a really, really affluent family, right? So the closets weren't really, really tiny like you see in other homes from the 1920s. The closets are quite large. Okay, so now we're going to step into the third bedroom. Again, large closet. Really large, actually. It's like a walk-in. So again, we didn't really see closets this large in most homes, but this home, as I said, would have been, you know, a really quite, and it is a stately home. It's a nice, beautiful size. Okay. So, and there you have it. Oh, no, we're not done yet. We have another washroom. And if you notice, proportionate to the size of the wall here, the window's so big and wide. It just, you know, it just gives it such character. So again, this washroom's going to be renovated, but you know, if there was a family who wanted to move in now and live here, you know, my client's lived here for 33 years, quite happily with her family, and you know, so it's, you know, it's not livable at all. But most definitely, the new owner is going to do some work and upgrade it, make it a little more modern in line with 2021. So, oh, one more thing I wanted to show you: wall to wall, wall to ceiling linen closet. And then there's even more storage on the top. I mean, the house doesn't, you know, lack for any storage. There's a lot of storage here. It's a nice size home. But I just want to note again, like the cross flow of the air and the windows in every single room. It's such a bright home. Often we see homes with a lot of woodwork, and you know, they're dark, but this home is not dark. That pretty backyard. So nice. So I just want to thank you all for watching this. We're going on the market. Actually, by the time you see this, we'll already be on the market, and you'll be able to reach me if you have any further questions. Have a great day, everybody, and take care.